There is no question that the energy industry is experiencing unprecedented global technological innovation. The need to store energy has become critical as it plays an important role in creating flexible and reliable electricity systems. The Department of Energy, the leading energy sector entity in Abu Dhabi, aims to develop and implement strategic plans for a future-proofed, sustainable energy sector in Abu Dhabi. Based on its Smart Grid Roadmap Implementation Plan from 1998 through 2030, in 2013, the Department of Energy pioneered the first-of-its-kind utility-scale energy storage project in the region by introducing large-scale battery, sodium-sulfur battery system with a total power of 108 megawatts to store energy when additional capacity is available at low demand and re-inject it to the grid when the load is at peak levels. This technology will help transform the future of energy storage through its various features, which include long-duration charge, compact layout, reliability, easy maintenance, safety, fast response. In 2018, the Department of Energy completed the deployment of 108 megawatt battery system across multiple locations with one control system called Centralized Integrated System Controller, CISC, to create a link between the Network Control Center and monitor and operate any battery energy storage systems, BESS, site remotely. By launching the world's largest single deployment of sodium-sulfur battery, the Department of Energy is not only providing balancing and ancillary services, but also improving the reliability, resiliency, and security of the Abu Dhabi electrical network. What can the BESS deployment do? For transmission and distribution system, ancillary services, frequency and voltage control, load leveling, peak shaving, black start, emergency power supply and power outage, spin and reserves. For renewable photovoltaic energy, power stabilizing, energy shifting, capacity firming. The electricity grid is a complex system in which power supply and demand must be equal at any given moment. Without batteries in the Abu Dhabi network, you must balance the power generation with the demand. With the introduction of nuclear power plant and solar energy in the near future, it will be difficult to balance the generation and the demand for electricity, and there will be a big risk that some PV power generators are obliged to accept output suppression. BESS is well suited to integrate with a nuclear power plant and a PV plant, and can mitigate some of the challenges that may occur by nuclear and solar utilities. The 108 megawatt can be fully used to absorb excessive power from PV plants and to avoid PV output suppression. NAS battery system exchange reactive power through 11 and 33 kilovolt transmission line to stabilize voltage fluctuation upon receipt of a signal from the TRANSCO load dispatch center. NAS battery also performs frequency control in coordination with the existing load frequency control equipment in Central Load Dispatching Center. Therefore, to improve the efficiency of the electrical network and reduce the total cost per kilowatt hour, the 108 megawatt BESS assumes the role of synchronizing the power generation and the demand and reducing the need for excess generating capacity. Today, Abu Dhabi's Department of Energy can reduce the total cost of electricity using the same philosophy as the 108 megawatt project in the network by using the battery for several services at the same time and thus reducing the cost of investment and operation.